Little bit of an impromptu video this. I was heading out for food, London Bridge. Always had my camera with me. I was in two minds whether to do a video, but I did have the Fuji, as you can see, and the GoPro. I left it quite late, started shooting. It was all a little bit impromptu. But I always had my camera with me, and I think it's so important. I understand these days with smartphones, I mean, these smartphones, they're so juicy, right, in terms of the image quality, that we haven't really got an excuse. But I always have a camera with me, locked, loaded, ready to rock and roll. This wall here, I love the texture, all of these wires hanging down. You get some gorgeous shots here. Also, what I love about this bridge, and bridges, right, and just that open shelter, is the light spilling through, funneling through. It doesn't matter what the weather's like. Ideally, you want a spill of weather. Then you can kind of fool around with that flare and backlight. But an underpass, open shelter, get you out of trouble in terms of, because of the light, yeah, funneling through. But like I'm talking, I always have my camera with me because I'm practicing. I want to practice. Like Henry Cartier Bresson said, the first 10,000 photographs are your worst. I think he's probably being generous. It's probably the first 100,000 photographs. So what I'm doing here is just working pretty much one location. Yeah, around about 20 minutes. Speeding it up a little bit for you guys here and there. Check that guy out with the iMac. It's like if you hang in there, yeah, and you mine for quality within like pretty much one location, yeah, you'll begin to dip beneath the surface of things relative to how you're perceiving. Because at first we're just seeing everything on that surface level. When I hang in there, we see more and more and more. It's just things become more apparent. I never noticed that earlier. You know, I shoot a variety of different places, but quite often I go back to the same place and shoot over and over. Repetition. Yeah, like I said, you see more and more each time, but there needs to be an intention and a purpose. It's not about just clicking. So I have the intention, I'm alert and present to what's going on. Little silhouette there. The great thing about working this space, you can shoot with them walking towards the light and away from you, and you get that silhouette. You can spin it around and they're walking toward you into the light, right? And you're getting that front light. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Really is a big support for me, guys. And please like this video as well. Hopefully we've got a few good clicks here. Probably one or two I pulled out for my portfolio, for my Instagram and that kind of thing. It's kind of tricky shooting this wall relative to how I want my images to be, because I kind of want that. I think the image is a lot more confident when I'm walking towards them or they're facing me. The subject's anchored to the center of the frame. I've said that on previous videos. With the wall, I can't get the wall and them, right? I kind of have to shoot at an angle. But it's fine. We don't want to be obsessed. So what I'm going to do now, I'll kind of pick this up in the next video, I think. I'm going to check through the video, see what we've got. I'm going to walk into the market, and this will be a different kind of a shoot, yeah? It's kind of my default setting. So I'm in people's faces, I'm walking through the market, and we'll see what we can get. Yeah, guys, like I said, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.